Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox the Mirfak compact on-camera microphone N2. As you can see here, we have got this company name down here, and let's see what's at the back of this cartoon. That is, it contains stents, windshield, camera cable, as you can see here. Let me make it more closer to the camera so that you guys can see. And this is about where it has been created on, and on the side we can see phone camera, studio quality audio, automatic noise reduction, and cardioid directional. Okay, so let's just unbox it straight away for you guys. Okay, let's just open this seal first. And okay, so this, okay, that's a nice covering down there. I think, yeah, it's like this. Okay, so yeah, this is just the box. That's the microphone. So we have got a windshield here, a microphone cover, and we have got two cables down here. One is for your microphone and one is for your camera. As you can see here, it shows. So this is mic, stands, camera cable, phone cable we have got, and the windshield also. So okay, so let's open the main case, and let's see how does it look. All right, so yeah, okay, that's very nice. And so I have as you can see guys, you know, if you are able to see on this camera, it's hard to actually yeah, there you go, it shows 2,990, but as for, you know, we got this yesterday, and we got it in under 1,500 rupees. So locally in our local market, and you can also get it you know, either online or so I prefer online. You know, you can get your bills and GST done, so you know, it's a better way. You get the guarantee there also. So I will include my PayPal link below this video in my bio, and please make sure to visit it, and if you want it, do get it. It's really nice, and it actually does the job. So here we are. So we're gonna just attach it here. So first we need to, you know, support this angle from here so that, you know, it doesn't go more down, and we actually need to push it, you know, where this thing is. And this will be hard for you guys for the first time, but after fixing it will look like this, you know, exactly. You can just move it a little bit this, so you can have a thick sound, and you can use the windshield. So you'll see there's a hole down here, and you can push it inside so that it's act as a windshield for you guys. And this is where you actually need to, you know, you can insert this in, and this is into your camera, and you're good to go. If you don't want to use the windshield, you can also use this mic cover straight away like this, and we are done. So that's it guys. So visit our channel again for another unboxing, and thanks for watching this video. Good day.